हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सर्ड इंडाइसेस और लॉगरिथम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. ओके, सर्ड इज नथिंग बट, ओके, बिफोर वी स्टार्ट द सर्ड यू हैव टू नो अबाउट द रैशनल नंबर and irrational number. So rational number is like the q and irrational number is q dash. Okay, q dash or q complement. So a rational number, if we write anything in the form of, okay, if we write in the form of p upon q, where q is not equal to 0, is known as rational number. And irrational number is like we cannot write in the form of p upon q. Okay, but in the simple way, if I will tell you what is rational number, so the number, okay, the number which is either terminating or the number is recurring. Okay, either the number is terminating number or the number is recurring, then only it is known as rational number. Okay, so for irrational number, okay, for irrational number, non-terminating, non-recurring, okay, so whenever this both the condition is there, then only we get the irrational number. And in this chapter may we'll be studying the surd is nothing but all the number which is non-terminating and non-recurring. Now what is the meaning of non-terminating, non-recurring? If I say 10 divided by 3, okay, what is 10 divided by 3? So if we divide 10 by 3, we'll get the answer 3.333 ... Okay, now you can see here the number is non-terminating. Why? Because it never end here, right? The number is non-terminating, but it is recurring number, but this number is recurring number, so we can say this is rational number. This is what? Rational number. This is rational number. Why? Because it is non-terminating but recurring number. Okay, but if I say what is the value of root 2, what is the value of root 2? People will say, so root 2 ka value is 1.414, but it's not only 1.414, it will be, because we know only till 3 decimal place, it will be goes on number. Okay, and will not get any pattern also here, it will be different number come. So this will be non-terminating as well as non-recurring, so that's why root 2 is irrational number. Same way root 3, 1.732, and then again goes on number it is. Okay, because we have to write only 3 decimal place, so like we remember only this many places, but unless we can get the answer infinite number of times, so this will be non-terminating as well as non-recurring, so root 3 is also irrational number. So in this chapter, in the chapter surd, okay, we'll be studying all this type ka number. So the number which is not a rational number, that type ka number, that is the number which are irrational number. So indirectly we'll be studying about the root 2, root 3, root 5, okay, cube root of 3, fifth root of 7, all this type ka number will be studying in this. Okay, so let's start proper. Okay, so the like we have root 2 and we have root 3. So now in this also we'll get the like, how we have the like fraction, the same way we have the like surd also, the like term. So now this is what is the meaning of root 2 under root 2 or the square root of 2. So this is nothing but 2 raised to half. Okay, same way this is 3 raised to half. So if the power is half or both are the square root, so we can multiply root a into root b is nothing but root of a multiplied by b. Okay, that means if we have root 2 multiplied by root 3, so we can write the answer root 6. Okay, but suppose the first one we have square root of 2 multiplied by cube root of 3. Okay, so we cannot multiply here because they are not like term, so we cannot multiply if it is not a like term, meaning the root, if this is square root, this also has to be the square root. If this is cube root, now suppose we have cube root of 5, okay, multiply by cube root of 7, so still we can multiply because both have the cube root, so that become cube root of 21, cube root of 7 5 is 35, so this will be 35, 7 into 5, that become 35, so cube root of 35. Clear it is? So whenever we have the same root, meaning the square root, if all the term like the root a into root b is equal to root ab, same way if it is more than two terms like the square root of a into square root of b into square root of c, you will get the square root of a into b into c. Same way cube root of a into cube root of b is equal to cube root of a into b. Clear? Same way we can do the division also. The square root of 2 divided by square root of 3 is equal to square root of 2 upon 3. Okay, square root of 2 upon 3. Clear? So we can multiply also, we can divide also, but the condition is what here? They have to be the like term. So you can say root a into root b is equal to root of a into b, and the root of a upon root of b is equal to square root of a upon b. Okay, same way now if they can give any power here, nth power of a raised to nth power multiply by b nth power of b. Okay, nth power of a multiply by nth power of b, the answer is nth power of a into b. Okay, nth power of a into b. Same way the division also, the nth power of a divided by nth power of b. If we divide, we'll get the answer nth power of a upon b. Okay, nth power of a upon b. Okay, now let's do few sums based on this, then we'll go ahead in this. Okay, so root a into root b is root ab, and root a upon root b is root of ab, a upon b, and but if it is plus given, okay, root of a plus b is not equal to root a plus root b, and if it is root a minus b, then is not equal to root a minus root b. Okay, so this formula only work for the multiplication division, not for addition and subtraction. Okay, so now let's do few sums. So now see, whenever you get the sum, this is also square root, this is also square root, so we can directly multiply inside the bracket. Okay, so root 3 into root 27, this become root 3 into 27, that become root 27 3 is 81, and what is the square root of 81? Square root of 81 is equal to 9, so the final answer is 9. Same way, now we have the root 8 upon root 2, so now this become root 8 upon 2, which is equal to root 4. Now root 4 ka value is what? 2. Okay, root square root of 8 upon 2 is nothing but the square root of 4, and square root of 4 ka value is 2. Same way we have the root 5 raised to 2. So actually if you see here, this is nothing but root 5 multiplied by root 5, which is equal to root 25, and which answer is 5. Okay, or you can write the formula directly, root a the whole square is equal to a. Okay, root a the whole square is equal to a, right? So the answer for root of 5 square is equal to 5. Okay, next one. Now like the same, we have the two terms, we can multiply the 3 also and more than that also. So now here, but only you have to check properly, they all has to be the square root, all has to be the cube root, means the root ka power has to be the same, because this will be the square root, square root, square root. So we can multiply all the three. So this is nothing but square root of 3 into 6 into 2. So 6 3 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36. So root 36, which is equal to 6. Okay, square root of 36 is equal to 6. Next one is, now only root 12 given and they ask you to simplify root 12. You have to simplify. So what you have to do here, you have to split. What you do here, factorize 12. So that is nothing but, if you factorize 12, so you'll get 2 into 6, again 2 into 3. So 12, if you factorize, how to factorize 12? So 12, and then you can do by the 2, 6 ja, 2, 3 ja, and 3, 1 ja. So the factor is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, but now out of that, you can write down like the 2 into 2 and into root 3. We can separate. Now what is root 2 into 2, which is nothing but the root 4 into root 3, and 4 ka value is 2. So the answer is 2 root 3. Okay, means whenever inside the square root a into a is equal to a is the answer. Okay, square root of a into a, the answer is a. So square root of 2 into 2, the answer is 2. So 2 into root 3. 2 into root 3. Same way root 32. So 32 will factorize first. 2 16 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, and 2 1 ja. How many will get here? 1 2 3 4 5. So that will be square root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So what we have to do, make a pair. Okay, make a pair of 2 number. So if you make a pair of 2 numbers, so from these two, how we wrote the formula now? Square root of a into a is equal to a. So square root of 2 into 2, so 2 will be outside. Square root of 2 into 2, again 2 is outside, and this root will be as it is. So become 4 root 2. 4 root 2. Okay, square root of 32 is nothing but 4 root 2. 4 root 2. Next one is square root of 1500 divided by square root of 20. Okay, root of a divided by root of b is nothing but, you can do combine only. So that becomes square root of 1500 upon 20. So 0 and 0 get cancelled. 2 1 ja 2, 7, 14 1, so become 5. So it become root 75. Okay, root 75, but still root 75 we can simplify. So we'll take the factor of 75. So 75 first comes in 3 table. 3 25 ja, then 5 ja, and again 5 1 ja. Okay, so 3 into 5 into 5. So this you can write down root 3 into 5 into 5. Now from this will be what? One pair given, square root of 5 into 5, that become 5. So the answer is 5 root 3. Okay, so the answer is 5 root 3. Next one is okay, now this is also one property here, we can add or subtract. Okay, we can add like you can say a root x plus b root x. If the inside the root inside the root, if both the values are same, both are square root, or both are cube root, then we can add a and b. Indirectly we can take the root x common, so remaining is a plus b. Okay, so we can add or we can subtract also. A root x minus b root x is equal to, again you can take the root x outside, so remaining is a minus b. So it is nothing but a minus b into root x, and here this one is nothing but a plus b into root x. Okay, so we can add or subtract if the root numbers are same. Okay, if the root numbers are same, we can add or subtract. So 6 root 3 plus 7 root 3. So what is 6 plus 7? 13. So 13 root 3 minus 5 root 3. Okay, again root 3 and root 3 both are same. So 13 minus 5, that become 8. 8 root 3 is the answer. Clear? So we can add also same and subtract also, but if the root number is same given, then only. So the answer is 8 root 13. So let's do few more sums. Okay, next one is root 32 minus root 8 plus 3 root 2. Now see, we discussed that formula. If the root numbers are same, then only we can add or subtract. Here the root numbers are not same. This is root 32, this is root 8, this is root 2. Okay, so sometime if they are not in the root numbers are not same, so we'll try to make it same. Okay, now how to make it same here? So we have like root 32. So like previously we just did, 32 is nothing but 2 5 times. Okay, so this is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Clear? Minus 8 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2, and this will be 3 root 2. Now we have to make a pair here. So we got the 2 pairs of 2 into 2, 4. So 4 root 2 minus 2. So one pair will be outside. So 2 root 2, and this will be plus 3 root 2. So now all the base are same, root 2, root 2, root 2. So we can add and subtract now. Okay, so if the sometime the base is not same, so we can simplify and make it the base same if it is possible. Sometimes not possible also, but yes, here it is possible. So 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 plus 3, 5. So the answer is 5 root 2. Clear? 4 minus 2 is 3, 3 root 2 plus 4 minus 2 is 2, so 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2, so 2 plus 3, 5, 5 root 2 is the answer. Okay, next one is the multiplication. Okay, now normal algebraic expression where we did the formula for a plus b into c plus d. How to multiply if we have normal sum a plus b into c plus d given, then how to multiply? Okay, binomial multiply by binomial. So what we do here, we take the first term, we multiply the second bracket. Okay, and we take the second term and we multiply by the second bracket, and then we multiply a into c, then we multiply a into d. Okay, then same way here, b into c plus b into d. Clear? Okay, so let's write down that formula again here. So a plus b then c plus d is equal to a open the bracket c plus d plus b open the bracket c plus d, which is nothing but ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. Okay, this is the one formula. Then we need a plus b the whole square. Means whatever formula we did in algebraic expression in the normal sum, the same formula we'll use in Surds chapter also. Okay, only instead of the proper number you might get the root number also. So a plus b ka whole square, we have to use a square plus 2ab plus b square. Same way we have to use a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Same way we have a square minus b square, which is nothing but a plus b and a minus b. So we have to use all this formula. Okay, after that we you can get the sum a plus b ka whole cube also, which is nothing but a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square a b square plus b cube. Okay, so all this formula which already we did in the factorization chapter, algebraic expression and factorization chapter mein, so we have to use the same all this formula in this also. So the first one is we have the two bracket, we have to multiply both the bracket. Okay, so now the same way we have to use the same thing. It's like the a plus b into c minus d given like suppose here. So we'll take the first number 4, multiply the second bracket 9 minus 5 root 3. Okay, and then the second one which is 2 root 3 multiply by 9 minus 5 root 3. Okay, simple it is. First bracket का first term multiply the whole of the second bracket, then the first bracket का second term multiply the whole bracket of the second one. Now multiply, so 4 9 ja 36, 4 9 ja 36. Now 4 into minus 5, so 4 minus 5, 4 into minus 5 minus 20 root 3. Okay, minus 20 root 3, then 2 into 9, so that become 2 9 ja 18, so 18 root 3, and 2 5 ja 10, so minus 10 root 3. Clear? Okay, so now in this we have, wait, 2 root 3 into 9, 9 2 ja 18 root 3, that is right. 2 into minus 5 become minus 10. Now what is root 3 into root 3? So that will be 2 times we have to multiply, because we have the 2 root 3 into minus 5 root 3. So 2 into minus 5 become minus 10. Root 3 into root 3, that is root 3 into root 3, that give you 3 afterward. So we have now 36 minus 20 root 3, keep as it is, plus 18 root 3, keep as it is, minus 10 into root 3, that become minus 10 into 3, that become minus 30. Minus 30. So now 36 minus 30, that give you 6. Now minus 20 plus 18, so minus 2 root 3. So that become 6 minus 2 root 3. 6 minus 2 root 3. Okay, so first term, first bracket का first term multiply by the whole of the second bracket, then second bracket first term का second bracket, like the first bracket का second term multiply the whole of the second bracket, and then you simplify. Okay, and then you get the answer here. Now same way we have a plus b the whole square. So again we'll use the same formula, a plus b ka whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in this case it become 4 square plus 2 into 4 into 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 the whole square. Clear? A square plus 2ab plus b square. What is 4 ka square? 4 into 4, that give you 16, plus 2 4 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, so 24 root 2 plus 3 ka square 9, root 2 ka square 2, 9 2 ja 18. Now 16 plus 18, 8 plus 6 14, 4 carry 1, 1 2 3, 34 plus 24 root 2. Proper? 4 का स्क्वायर 16, 2 4 जा 8, 3 जा 24, 24 root 2 and 3 का स्क्वायर 9, 9 into root 2 का स्क्वायर is 2, so 9 2 जा 18, 16 plus 18 that give you 34 plus 24 root 2. Okay, this is of multiplication. So we can do addition also, we can do subtraction also, we can do multiplication, we can do division also, but division will be a little other way here. Okay, so instead of the division they say rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means whatever the number given in the denominator, like here this number is what? Irrational number. Okay, this number is what? Irrational number. So they want in the denominator a rational number. They want in the denominator rational number. So if in the denominator only one number given, okay, so we multiply and divide by the same number. We multiply and divide by the same number because only one number given. So now if you multiply, you will get 3 into root 2, that is nothing but 3 root 2, and in the denominator root 2 into root 2, that give you 2. So the answer is 3 root 2 upon 2. Our main target is what? Keep the denominator a rational number, and 2 is what? 2 is rational number. What is 2? 2 is rational number. So we have to rationalize the denominator. So for simple thing, if the denominator has only one term without plus minus, so we multiply and divide by the same number. Now the other sum, here again we have to do the same thing. What we have to do here? Rationalize the denominator. But here we have more than one term. We have two terms given in this, 3 minus 5. So whatever they give in the denominator, we take the conjugate of that. Okay, conjugate of that, meaning a plus b ka conjugate is what? A plus b conjugate equal to what? A minus b, meaning whatever the sum they given, the same thing with opposite sign. Here 3 minus root 5 given, so we multiply and divide by 3 plus root 5. So into 3 plus root 5 upon 3 plus root 5. Okay, so now this become 8 open the bracket 3 plus root 5 upon, now we have a minus b, a plus b. What is a minus b, a plus b? That give you a square minus b square, which is nothing but 3 square minus root 5 square, that give you, so this will be multiply 8 into 3, 24 plus 8 root 5 upon 3 ka square 9. Okay, minus root 5 ka square is 5. So 9 minus 5 is nothing but 4. So instead of doing what you can do in the beginning now, don't multiply, just keep as it is. Okay, so here we multiply, so don't multiply, keep as it is the numerator. So we'll get 8 3 plus root 5. Okay, and the denominator will be 9 minus 5, that give you 4. So 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, and then you multiply 2 into 3 6 plus 2 root 5. Clear? It's like if you do here also, then again you take the 4 common and then you can cancel the remaining answer. You get 6 plus 2 root 5, meaning here 24 and 8 may you take the 4 common and 4 in the denominator, so get cancelled. So remaining is 6 plus 2 root 5. So the answer will come same only, but this will be more simple. So in the beginning may don't multiply, first you check the denominator whatever is given. So if it is cancellation, then you can cancel, and then whatever remaining you multiply with the denominator. Okay, next one is, now we have the numerator and we have the denominator. We have to rationalize the denominator. So whatever given in the denominator, the same we did here. We have to find the conjugate of the denominator. So here it is 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2. So we'll take the opposite sign. So we multiply and divide by 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 upon 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Okay, so multiply and divide the conjugate of the denominator. So conjugate is what? If it is a minus b given, so it become a plus b. So we multiply a plus b both. Means whatever you multiply in the numerator, the exactly same you have to multiply with the denominator also to balance the equation. Okay, so now the numerator will be 4 root 3 multiply the 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2 multiply by 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Clear? The first term multiply by the second bracket, then the second term multiply by the second bracket. Okay, and the denominator is a minus b, a plus b, so it is a square minus b square, a square minus b square. So now this become 4 2 ja 8, root 3 into root 3 is 3, so 8 into 3 24. Clear? Now 4 3 ja 12, so it become 12 and root 6, because 3 2 ja 6, which can't simplify, so as it is. Now 2 into minus 3 become minus 6, and root 2 into root 3 is 6, so it become minus 6 root 6, and minus 3 into 3 that become minus 9, root 2 into root 2 that give you 2, whole thing upon 2 ka square 4, root 3 ka square 3, 4 into 3 that give you 12, minus 3 ka square 9, root 2 ka square 2, 9 2 ja 18. Clear? Okay, so now this become 9 2 ja 18, 24 minus 18, 24 minus 18 that give you 6, 12 root 6 minus 6 root 6, so 12 minus 6 will be 6, so 6 root 6 upon 12 minus 18 is minus 6. Okay, 24 minus 18 is 6, 12 minus 6 that give you 6, 12 minus 18 is minus 6. Now take the 6 common in this, or you take the minus 6 common. So if it, okay, just take the 6 only, so 6 open the bracket, 1 plus root 6 upon minus 6, this get cancelled, so remaining is minus 1, so minus open the bracket 1 plus root 6, you can write on this, or minus 1 minus root 6. Okay, this is your answer. Minus 1 minus root 6 is the answer. Okay, now they can give the same type ka sum but in word problem also. Like they given here, a triangle has base 8 minus 4 root 3 centimeter and area 9 plus 4 root 3 centimeter square. Okay, find its height in the form of a plus b root 3 centimeter, where a, b are rational number. Okay, so they had given a triangle whose base given, area given, and they ask the height. Okay, meaning suppose this is a triangle given, right? This is the height, this is the base, and they given the area also here. Okay, they had given the base, they asking the height, and they had given the area. So any formula you know, area of a triangle where the base and the height is given. Yes, so area of a triangle, is equal to half into base into height. Clear? Area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Now area of a triangle ka formula is what? So area of a triangle they had given here 9 plus 4 root 3 is equal to half into base. Base is given what here? 8 minus 4 root 3. Okay, multiply by height. Now 8 minus 4 root 3, if you see properly, we have the 8 and we have the 4. Can we take the 2 outside? So 1 upon 2 into 2, open the bracket, 4 minus 2 root 3 and multiply by height. So this 2 and 2 get cancelled. So that means now we have 9 plus 4 root 3 is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 into height, which is nothing but 9 plus 4 root 3 upon 4 minus 2 root 3 is equal to height. Simple. That means we have to find out the height, but this is nothing but a irrational number. So like the same type ka sum, so we have to simplify by using rationalize the denominator. So whatever is given in the denominator, we multiply and divide the conjugate of the denominator. So let's do here. Okay, so okay, so height is equal to, so height is equal to 9 plus 4 root 3 upon 4 minus 2 root 3. Okay, so we'll multiply and divide the conjugate of the denominator, which is 4 plus 2 root 3 upon 4 plus 2 root 3. So that become 9, open the bracket, 4 plus 2 root 3 plus 4 root 3 multiply by 4 plus 2 root 3 upon 4 minus 2 root 3 and 4 plus 2 root 3. So now 9 4s are 36 plus 9 2s are 18, 18 root 3 plus 4 4s are 16 root 3 plus 4 2s are 8 into root 3 into root 3 will give you 3 upon 4 ka like a minus b, a plus b, it become 4 square minus 2 root 3 square. Okay, so now which is nothing but 36 plus 18 plus 16, directly you can add. So 18 plus 16 is what? 34 root 3, then plus 8 3 are 24 upon 4 ka square 16 minus 2 ka square 4 and root 3 ka square 3, 4 3 are 12. Clear? Now 36 plus 24, that give 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1 6, 60 plus 34 root 3 upon 16 minus 12, that give you 4. Okay, this will be 34, 8 plus 6 14, 34. So let's take the 2 common, so or you can just do is equal to 60 upon 4 plus 34 root 3 upon 4. So 4 15 ja, and this you can cancel, 17 2 ja, 2 2 ja. So the answer is 15 plus 17 upon 2 root 3. Okay, which is in the form of a plus b root 3, where a is equal to 15 and b is equal to 17 upon 2. Okay, and 15 and 17 upon 2 both are rational number. So this many centimeter is the height of the triangle. Okay, so they can give the area of a triangle, they can give like the area of a rectangle, they can give the volume ka sum, means they can give the any of the mensuration ka, whatever the formulas you know, area and volume ka, surface area ka, they can combine in this also. Okay, so you have to substitute the formula, simplify, you will get the one term and you have to just simplify. So third mein the basic we have this much only, the simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, and instead of the division, this is called the rationalize the denominator. Then they can give the simplify, like simplify the sum. Okay, so all this we let's do 1 2 more sum in this, and then we'll go to the next chapter. Okay, next one is 2 plus a root 5 into 7 minus 2 root 5 is equal to minus 16 plus b root 5. Okay, so you can see this side we have the two brackets. So first we'll simplify that. So that will be 2, open the bracket, 7 minus 2 root 5, then plus a root 5 multiply by 7 minus 2 root 5. That becomes 7 2 ja 14 minus 4 root 5 plus 7a root 5 minus 2a root 5 into root 5, that give you into 5. Okay, and this part you can keep as it is only, minus 16 plus b root 5. This also minus 16 plus b root 5. Okay, so now this side here we have 14 and this become minus 10a. So 14 minus 10a, and this is nothing but root 5 and root 5. So this become plus minus 4 plus 7a into root 5 is equal to, we have minus 16 plus b root 5. Okay, now once you get till here, now you have to equate both the side. Okay, the a part equate with the first one and the second part equate with the second part, because here this is the real part, like you can say this is the rational number, this is also rational number, and this has irrational number, and this also irrational number. So equating rational number with rational number, so 14 minus 10a is equal to minus 16. Clear? And irrational number, which is minus 4 plus 7a, is equal to b, because root 5 and root 5 get cancelled. So now 14 plus 16, 14 plus 16 is equal to 10a. 14 plus 16 is equal to 10a. 14 plus 16, that give you 30. So 30 is equal to 10a. So a is equal to 3. Okay, a is equal to 3. 30 divided by 10, a is equal to 3. Same way, now once you get a ka value 3 here, minus 4 plus 7a is equal to b. We have the equation minus 4 plus 7 into 3 is equal to b. So 21, so minus 4 plus 21 is equal to b. So therefore b is equal to 21 minus 4, that give you 17. So b is equal to 17. So a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 17. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 17. Clear? Okay, next one is square root of 6 minus x is equal to 3. Square root of 6 minus x is equal to 3. So what you have to do here, first we'll do squaring both the side. Okay, so root of 6 minus x the whole square is equal to 3 square. Okay, you remember we did one formula here, square root of a the whole square is equal to a. So you can say this get cancelled, so remaining is 6 minus x is equal to 9. Simple it is. Okay, so now 6 minus 9 is equal to x, so minus 3 is equal to x. So x is equal to minus 3. Next one, square root of 2x minus 4 minus 2 root of x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, if you do squaring both the side, it becomes difficult because we have the a term is irrational number, b term also irrational number. Okay, so what we'll do here, we'll take the second part the other side. So what we'll do here, root of 2x minus 4 is equal to 2 square root of x minus 3. Okay, now we'll do the squaring both the side. What? Squaring both side now. Okay, so now this become 2x minus 4. So actually root and the square here get cancelled, right? So now this and the square get cancelled, become 2x minus 4 is equal to 2 square 4, and the root and the square get cancelled, become x minus 3. Okay, once we do the squaring both the side, it become more simple. So now this is 2x minus 4 is equal to 4x minus 12. So now minus 4 plus 12 is equal to 4x minus 2x. So 8 is equal to 2x. So 8 upon 2 is equal to x. So x is equal to 4 is the answer of this. Okay, and this type ka sum, if you get this type ka sum after solving the sum, you can substitute the value here and check the answer. If we substitute x ka value minus 3, so 6 minus minus 3, that become 9, and root 9 ka value is 3. Same way you have the 4 here. So 4 to the 8, 8 minus 4, that give you 4. Root 4 is nothing but the 2, and this will be 4 minus 3 is 1, root 1 is 1, so minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, so 2 minus 2, the answer is 0. So this way you can check the answer also. Okay.